Alright guys, so I'm just doing a quick video for you guys on my first time doing the lazy girl method with Polygel. This was something that I believe Femibeauty started to do on YouTube, but another YouTuber and Instagrammer that I follow called Slay by J is somebody else that did this method too. So as you can see, I buffed my nails already. Now I'm going in with my primer and dehydrator per usual because, again, this is an important part of doing your nails, whether you're doing press-on nails, lazy girl method, polygel, acrylic. It will help your nails to last longer. So you saw me buffing my nails. That was me getting the shiny residue off of my nails. This here is the base coat that I'll be using today. So you do a light layer of your base coat on your nails. And for me, I only start off with one hand. And you cure it for 30 seconds. I got these full coverage nails from Amazon. I'll put the link below. So then what Slay by J said to do was just go ahead and scratch a little bit of your nails off as I did there, so that the nail can stick on even better. And I'm using, as usual, my alcohol. So getting my brush prepped, taking the inside of my full coverage nail and adding some polygel to it, just as you would do a dual form. But the difference in the dual form and the full coverage nail is that you are leaving the full coverage nail on. With the dual form, you pop the dual form off to get the shape that you desire. So I'm just spreading the polygel inside of my full coverage nail, and I'm making sure it looks right on the other side, so that's why I went back in and did a little bit more smoothing out or whatever. And it doesn't actually take that long either to do this process because you don't have to shape your nails. So then I'm going to go ahead and start off with a second nail, because I wanted to try to get as many done as possible, but I only went ahead and just did the first two. This polygel that I am using, I did an unboxing on. So the link for the video will be below. The link for this particular polygel that I'm using will be below as well. And I really like this polygel. So yeah, it just looks very neat, and this is how it looks. Now I'm taking my other nail and going to press it on gently, but you also want to make sure it's on there firmly. I'm taking my brush and going in and making sure there's no excess polygel that's squeezed out and just cleaning that off. You don't want to see any bubbles as well. So if it has bubbles, you want to make sure you press it down a little bit more. So I kind of messed up on this part, but you cure it for 30 seconds. I'll show you guys with the second nail. So yeah, it's on there pretty firm. It's not going anywhere, which I was very happy about. So again, you take your nail, you press it down gently, but yet firm, so you know it's on there, and you flip your nail over and smooth out that polygel that kind of like squished up a little bit. I skipped this step by accident on my thumb finger, but yeah, make sure you flip the nail over and smooth the polygel out. And you cure it, and see, I got my nails on. Pretty quick and easy. Go in, and I'm taking some rubbing alcohol and just getting that little tacky or sticky layer off from the polygel, because it's definitely on there. And I'm loving how they look already, y'all. Like, so cute. going in with my nail file and just filing my sides a little bit. It wasn't like much filing that I had to do here because the polygel really all stayed inside of the cover nail. But I'm just going ahead and making sure it's not any extra that I do see. Then I'm going in with my buffer and buffing the clear layer off of my nails, as you do when you are prepping your nails. So this helps the gel polish to stay onto your nails as well. So once I get done with that part, I'm going in with my polish here. I love this company. It's Beetles gel polish. I will put the link below for this product as well. Now you can use base coat. You don't necessarily have to, but I did not use base coat. I just put the polish right on there. And then of course I go in with my alcohol and just clean up the edges and all of that to make sure my nails are looking really neat before I cure it. Because once you cure your gel polish, it's a little bit tricky to get all that extra off that came off of the side or whatever. So I just take my brush and clean the alcohol off. And then I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. And this is how it looks. So I'm going to add my bling on here. And to add my bling on, of course, I have my Model 1's bling gel. So I'm going in with my bling gel and adding that onto my nails first. And like I said in my previous video, it's 2 different ways you can do it, but this is the way that I prefer to do it. And I apply it to my entire nail because I'll be having jewels all on my nail. And then I go in with my top coat and add a thin layer of top coat on top of the bling gel. And of course, y'all, like I said, this is the most tedious part about my nails, which I usually don't record for you guys. And yeah, it was a struggle for some reason trying to pick up these jewels with my jewel picker upper and this other tool. It was just not working for me, guys. So yeah. This was the final look, and I am absolutely loving it. Make sure you guys put your cuticle oil on to hydrate those cuticles. Once you get done, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. There are pictures on my Instagram of this look, which I absolutely love, and this set here will be a set of press-ons that I will be using as well, but I love them. Comment below and let me know what you guys think. This picture, well, this set of nails was an inspiration as well from this picture here, so let me know what y'all think.